That's a Dilophosaurus!
You guys have no idea where I'm going right now. Rainforest Cafe. Welcome to Tower Review 2018.
I hate that tower.
I hate that tower. It's so dumb. But what is it even doing here?
I love Shania Twain. How do you not like her? This is your spot. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Well, duh, it's open. Where are you parking, sis?
Oh, I'm just going back down the street.
Oh, you're so funny.
I think I'm gonna bleep out every time you say under what you're saying.
Imagine like 7 times.
Yeah, I will. Sounds like a lot of work. I'd be stupid to do that. I can't believe you use such a horrible word so frequently. When I bleep it out, they're not gonna know what you're saying. Oh. Wizard Golf was a time.
Ew. Oops. There's parking right there for $5.
Yeah, I'm not parking my car here.
Why?
Dumb. In this?
No, sis, down there.
Yeah, I'm not parking my car there.
Oh my gosh.
Not a friggin' chance. We're gonna go back where the rich people park.
Okay.
Not to the place where we might get friggin' bugs.
Oh my gosh. We should go to this ghetto looking
Oh, the nightclub?
nightclub, sis. What does that mean? Oh, authorized? Authorized? I said authorized. Okay, so we are on route. Is it route? Route. En route. We are en route. What is that?
It's either. I say route, but people say route.
We are en route.
It's route.
We are on route. We are on whatever.
You're good.
We're on whatever you think you want to say.
On
Route
the way.
tomato tomato. We are en route to finding parking. It's been half an hour. It's been like 2 days of trying to find parking. And I haven't eaten in like 7 days and I'm so hungry. That's how it feels when you say you're 6'1".
I am 6'1".
Sis, you're not, you're 5'9". Ew, your
That's
glasses!
true. I'm not gonna wear them ever again.
You dropped it.
Thank you.
Put your glasses on, maybe you can see. Oh my sis.
No. No, that's not a new one.
Oh my sis.
Oh my sis? Are you mod?
Are you
This girl.
sis?
Such your dinosaur impression?
That's a Dilophosaurus!
Yeah, it is.
That's a Dilophosaurus! Oh.
Thanks, dude.
Oh my gosh, look at the drooling. From the top. Do you see
Oh,
it?
a little bit. Is that?
It's ice, but.
Oh. Wow.
Dilophosaurus. It's actually a Dilophosaurus.
Oh, is it? We had it wrong for 5 months.
This is a Stegosaurus. Right.
What? Okay.
Oh shoot, no.
This was my favorite one.
This is a Stegosaurus.
I like Stegosaurus.
Here we go. Here we go.
She wanted to come here so bad. I did not care at all.
Yes.
I wanted to go to like a nice Italian joint called like Piazza or something, but she wants to go here, so we're gonna go to Rainforest, I guess. Whoa, it's moving. The snake. Everything moves in here. Hey.
Hello.
2?
Of course. Just to inform you guys, we do close at 9 tonight. Welcome to the Rainforest Cafe. Have you been here before?
I have.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Our restroom's on the left.
Control.
Every 15 minutes, our animals come to life.
Sis. Brown. So how happy are you right now?
It's like a kids restaurant.
On a scale from 1 to 3? Oh, you got water on it.
Oh, did I? Oh, is it wet?
Yeah.
Oh, it's wet. Ooh.
No, like sis, it's on the lens.
Oh, we should probably fix that.
So on a scale of 1 to 100, how excited are you?
I mean, it seems fine. It seems like a kids restaurant.
The animals move every 15 minutes. Literally, this place is full of nightmares coming to life.
You're not gonna like what's behind you though.
Oh, sis. So this is fond memories of,
Rainforest Cafe.
apparently.
Oh.
I've never been here. It's so close to my big head. I've never been here.
Hey guys, I'm getting that.
Oh my God. they'll give you a discount. Wow.
We have to cheers.
No, you do the commentary.
Nope.
They'll think that I'm so immature.
You are.
Guys, it's farting. I don't know if it's the heat of the... Here we go.
Oh, thank you. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.
I'm so excited.
This is Logan and he's celebrating his 10th birthday. Let's give him a hand.
It's just it's so slow when it zooms. What did you get?
The same thing. Here you go. Shrimp and coconut shrimp. Oh no. Coconut shrimp and ice cream. If I lost this one, I'd be so mad.
Wow.
Holy, I hate butterflies.
Yeah, it's so ugly. Why did they even make them? That's real.
No, it's not.
That's real. Look.
That's not real. It's
That's
fake.
real.
Sis, it's fake.
No, it's not. Look, it's the gills.
Sis, it's fake.
It's not. It's real. She got tired of carrying around her cup, so she literally puts it in her hood.
Hey, you started that.
That's so dumb. Why would anyone do that? I'm a shadow. I would film that personally.
I'm better. What?
It's everywhere.
I know, sis. That's scary.